Hi everyone, it's Ayush here and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are going to learn about the Node.js package with the name of Chalk. So before starting the video, let me just give you a basic example of why do we need Chalk. So let's say console.log hello world. That's a very simple program going to print hello world in the console by using JavaScript. Now let's say if I just run this file, let's say node index.js, it's going to simply print hello world in the console. But what I want is I want some color for this text, some background color for this text. For that purpose, we are having a package with the name of Chalk. Now, starting with the installation part, before installing it, you need to simply initialize the package.json by using npm init -y. Obviously, it's going to simply initialize the package.json file. After that's done, you need to install Chalk by using npm i chalk. It's going to install the package Chalk, and that's done. Now, to utilize Chalk, you need to rename your index.js file as index.mjs file because Chalk is a module. After that's done, you can simply import Chalk by using import Chalk. It's going to auto-complete that. Now, after it's done, you have imported Chalk from the package Chalk. You need to simply write here console.log. Now, let's do the same thing. We are going to print hello world only, but the color of the text is going to be blue. So let's say console.log chalk.blue. Now, chalk.blue is a basically it's a kind of function. Now, whatever you pass inside this function is going to be taken as a string, and it's going to be printed with the blue color. Let's say hello world. Let's say hello world. Now, if I just run this file again, let's say node index.js. Okay, basically you can see. Okay, now it's not index.js, it's index.mjs. So we'll say here node index.mjs. Now you can see the magic that hello world is printed, but the color is blue. Now, what about the background color? Can we add a background color as well? Okay, let's add the background color white in this case. Let's say we want the background color white. For that purpose, you need to write here chalk.bg white. So bg white is going to simply apply the background color as a white, and for the color of blue you need to write here chalk.bg white dot blue, and then you need to pass the text here hello world. Now you are doing two things at one in one line, like you are applying the background color white as well as you are saying the color is blue. So if I just save this and run the code, you will see that it's going to print the hello world, but the color is you can see the color is kind of dark blue and the background color is white. Now let's say background color green. You will see that background color green. So you can see the background color is green and the color is blue. Okay, what about background color black? The background color black. If you run it again, now you can see, because you know what, there is a kind of theme in the VS Code. It's a dark theme, right? So as per the theme, the color is changing. So that's how you're going to use the chalk. But let's say you want the default setting, so you can simply say reset, right? You can simply say reset. That is it. It's going to give the default stylings to the text. Now, what about bold text? Can we bold the text? Yeah, we can. And for that, we need to specify some color. So let's say a blue dot reset, right? Not reset, sorry, bold. Now it is going to apply the blue color to the text, and then it's going to bold it, right? Let's run this thing node index.mjs. Now you can see the color is blue and the text is bold. So that's how you're going to use a bold function as well. Now you can also use the italic function to just you know what, you can just apply the font style as italic. So for doing that, you need to write here chalk.italic, and in this function you need to pass the text and it's going to provide the font style as italic for that particular text. Let's save this thing and let's run this file. Now you can see the hello world is printed, and you can see the font style is italic. Now you can simply apply some colors, like let's say green. In this case, let's say chalk.green.italic, and this. Now what can be the usages of this chalk package? Let's say you are building an console application. In that case, for showing kind of warnings, you can simply use chalk.red dot bold and you can just, let's say you are showing a kind of error, right? So let's say error 404, right? So you are seeing chalk.red.bold error 404. So it's going to show a kind of warning, or you can say kind of error, by using this red.bold combination. Let's save this thing and let's run this. So you can see it's saying like error 404, and that's really attractive, right? So when you make a kind of console application, you must take it in your mind that you must use a chalk package to make your application more and more attractive and representative. So yeah, that's all about chalk package. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, see you.